Hey guys, welcome back. These are rankings of different birds with speed. Kiwi with 15 km per hour. Woodcock 45 km per hour. Do you know Heron runs with 87 km per hour? Arrogate with 90 km. Goose can run up to 95 km. Teal with 114 km per hour. Osprey has speed up to 120 km per hour. Hobby with 145 km. It can reach up to 150 km too. Hawk runs up to 190 km per hour. Guys, second fastest is Eagle, which has 320 km per hour. At last but not least, 390 km Falcon. Can you imagine it? You can't see them with the naked eyes. Like, share and subscribe to watch the new interesting videos. Till now.